Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Now, first this evening, quick action by Beryllium guards in St. Elizabeth prevented another brazen daylight robbery of millions of dollars.
Now, it comes after the armored vehicle in which they were traveling came under heavy gunfire by armed thugs along the Bogue main road in the parish.
Now, as Kalisha Williams reports, the guards managed to escape injuries with the cash intact.
This is where the drama unfolded shortly after 2 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. The heavily vegetated and deserted Bogue main road in St. Elizabeth. TVJ News was informed that the Beryllium vehicle was traveling along the main road when a white motor car with several men aboard attempted to block its path and started firing at the vehicle. The Beryllium driver, on realizing what was happening, took quick action and maneuvered the vehicle to escape the robbers. However, it's reported that the gunmen did not relent. They continued firing at the vehicle, hitting one of the tires and the back of the truck. We were told the thugs later fled the scene as the Beryllium driver sped off. The police later confirmed that the guard drove the vehicle to the Siloa police station. In the meantime, Director of Public Relations for Guardsman Group, Commander George Overton, told our news center that the guards escaped injuries. Wednesday's attack is the third such incident on a Beryllium vehicle in less than 2 months. On February 27, a guard was killed and about $10 million stolen when gunmen sprayed bullets at a truck delivering cash at the Portmore Pines Plaza in St. Catherine. Then on March 19, gunmen made off with $23 million after they ambushed a Beryllium vehicle delivering cash at the Scotiabank ATM in Brayton Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. 4 security guards, as well as a licensed firearm holder, were wounded during the attack. The police high command announced that 6 suspects were taken into custody on Tuesday in connection with the Scotiabank attack. Another suspect has been charged in the matter. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.